The Visual Effects and Motion Graphics course at the University of South Wales is the perfect choice for students aspiring for a career in the digital arts, film and TV industry. So the Visual Effects and Motion Graphics course focuses on the moving digital arts industries. This could be from creating visual effects in cinema, green screen and CGI integration, to 2D and 3D motion design for commercial and social media purposes. Given the nature of the industry, there's such a range of skills that we teach and the students can learn as well. So this can range from quite heavy digital visual effects skills like green screen and keying and CGI 3D modeling and so on. We have some incredible facilities, full-size green screen studio, TV studio, virtual production studio as well, which is brand new, all of which is taught from the first year. The VFX industry in Cardiff is very much up and coming. There's huge productions happening in Cardiff. You've got things like Doctor Who, His Dark Materials as well. These are studios that we work really closely with. Every year we have graduates working in industry. For instance, we have graduates working on Star Wars, the Marvel Cinematic Universe, The Creator, The Last of Us, Dune. The roles that graduates go on to have in these studios can be quite varied. This could be environment design, a compositor, FX artist, but also working behind the camera. So all of this means that employability is really high.